A new year often brings smarter buying chances, and SUV shoppers have plenty to be excited about. If you've been planning to move into a higher-riding, more spacious vehicle, January 2026 is shaping up to be a strong time to lease. Carmakers are introducing updated SUV lease offers with competitive monthly payments, practical terms, and features focused on comfort, safety, and everyday usability. Whether it's city driving, family needs, or weekend trips, these SUV lease deals let you get more capability and space without taking on a heavy financial load. Number 1. 2025 Toyota RAV4. The affordable, practical, and fuel-efficient 2025 RAV4 remains a top compact SUV choice, especially in its hybrid version. However, lower trims feel quite basic, and it's not particularly fun to drive. Notable features are 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, panoramic glass roof, blind spot monitoring system, hands-free power liftgate, and 203 horsepower engine. Leasing the RAV4 is a smart option with Toyota's flexible deals. The typical 3-year lease averages $430 per month, with $2,000 due at signing for 12,000 miles annually. For 2 years, it's $490 monthly, and a 4-year lease runs about $427 per month. Number 2. 2026 Honda CR-V. The CR-V is one of America's most popular SUVs because it excels in all the important areas: a spacious interior, generous cargo room, a smooth, comfortable ride, and excellent fuel efficiency. Notable features on the 2026 CR-V include 9-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, blind spot information system, and 190 horsepower engine. Leasing the CR-V is a convenient option thanks to Honda's flexible lease deals. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $445 per month, with $2,000 down, based on an annual 12,000-mile limit. For a 2-year term, the average payment is $534 monthly, or you can go for a 4-year lease at about $449 per month with the same down payment and mileage cap. Number 3. 2025 Honda Pilot. The 2025 Honda Pilot is a stellar 3-row family SUV that has it all: a spacious and comfortable interior that seats up to 8 along with an upscale and well-equipped cabin. It truly is the complete package. Standout features include a 3rd-row seat, 7-inch touchscreen, wireless phone charging, adaptive cruise control, blind spot information system, and 285 horsepower V6 engine. Leasing the Pilot is an affordable option thanks to Honda's flexible lease deals. On average, you'd pay around $570 per month, with $2,000 down for a 3-year lease, based on 12,000 miles annually. The payment is $682 for 2 years, or $568 monthly for a 4-year lease. Number 4. 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander expands on the popular Highlander platform, offering more space, added refinement, and advanced tech for families needing room without sacrificing comfort. This midsize SUV features 12.3-inch dual displays, 3-zone automatic climate control, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a 265 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, making it both practical and versatile. The average monthly lease payment is about $550, with $2,000 due at signing on a 36-month lease with a 12,000-mile annual limit. For other lease terms, expect to pay around $606 per month for 24 months or $548 per month for 48 months. Number 5. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 turns heads with its sleek styling, fun driving dynamics, and a premium interior that rivals luxury SUVs. Key features include a 10.3-inch touchscreen, dual-zone automatic climate control with a pollen filter, 19-inch alloy wheels, and a 187 horsepower engine. Leasing the CX-5 is affordable thanks to Mazda's flexible lease deals. A typical 3-year lease averages $479 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. A 2-year lease averages $577 per month, while a 4-year lease costs around $452 per month. Number 6. 2025 Ford Bronco. The 2025 Ford Bronco is an off-road powerhouse, designed to tackle the toughest terrain with ease, yet it remains a comfortable daily driver. It features removable doors and top 8-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, dual-zone automatic temperature control, and 300 horsepower engine. Leasing the Bronco is a great choice thanks to Ford's flexible lease offers. Bronco leases start at about $522 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing based on 12,000 annual miles. Opting for a 24-month term at $641 per month or a 48-month term for $480 monthly. Number 7. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee blends upscale comfort with rugged capability, offering a well-balanced midsize SUV that's just as at home on the trail as it is in city traffic. It comes packed with standout features such as a 10.1-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors, and a 293 horsepower V6 engine. The Grand Cherokee lease starts at $482 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $659 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $462 per month. Number 8. 2026 Honda HR-V. In the crowded small SUV class, the HR-V stands out with its stylish, European-inspired design, a well-equipped and spacious interior plus a fun driving personality. Notable features include 7-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, hill descent control, 18-inch alloy wheels, and 158 horsepower engine. Leasing the HR-V is a convenient choice thanks to Honda's flexible lease options. On average, you'd pay around $379 per month, with $2,000 down for a 3-year lease with a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 2-year term, it averages $451 monthly, while a 4-year lease runs about $381 per month. Number 9. 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Smartly designed and budget-friendly, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross blends Corolla-level reliability with SUV practicality, making it a standout choice in the subcompact crossover segment. This SUV comes equipped with practical features like an 8-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a 169 horsepower engine. The Corolla Cross lease starts at $371 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $436 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $366 per month. Number 10. 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E redefines the pony car for the electric era, combining thrilling performance with practicality and family-friendly versatility. This compact SUV features hands-free highway driving, a 15.5-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and an EPA-estimated 312-mile electric range. Mustang Mach-E leases start at $330 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing, based on an annual mileage limit of 12,000 miles. A 2-year lease costs around $386 per month, while a 4-year lease runs about $339 per month. Number 11. 2026 Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner gets a much-needed redesign with new drivetrains, updated cabin tech, and serious off-road capability. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner offers a 14-inch touchscreen, a 278 horsepower turbo engine, full-time 4-wheel drive, and rugged 33-inch all-terrain tires for any adventure. The 4Runner lease starts at $542 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $593 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to around $543 per month. Number 12. 2026 Toyota Highlander. The 2026 Toyota Highlander remains one of the top-selling 3-row SUVs, thanks to its strong reliability, comfortable ride, and a long list of modern safety and tech features. It offers practical highlights such as 3rd-row seating, an 8-inch touchscreen, 3-zone automatic climate control, and a 265 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. The Highlander lease starts at $655 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $754 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $648 per month. Number 13. 2025 Kia Telluride. The Telluride is a class-leading 3-row SUV, delivering outstanding value while meeting all the needs of a growing family. Key features include a third-row seat, 12.3-inch dual displays, blind spot collision warning, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a 291-horsepower V6 engine. Leasing the Telluride is a smart choice thanks to Kia's flexible options. On average, you'd pay around $460 per month with $2,000 down for a 3-year lease with a 12,000-mile annual limit. You can also opt for a 24-month lease at $495 per month or a 48-month lease for $462 per month. Number 14. 2026 Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback has developed a very loyal following of owners, and it's easy to see why. It offers a comfortable, roomy interior and fuel-efficient engine options, making it a stellar choice as an all-weather daily driver or for adventures off the beaten path. Key features include 7-inch touchscreen, automatic climate control, Subaru advanced frontal airbag system, and 182-horsepower engine. Leasing the Outback is an affordable option with flexible lease deals. The average lease payment is $475 per month, with $2,000 due at signing, for a 36-month term with a 12,000 annual mile limit. For a 24-month lease term, the average payment is $629 per month, while a 48-month lease averages $556 monthly, with the same down payment and mileage cap. Number 15. 2026 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is more rugged and off-road capable than typical compact SUVs. With its generous ground clearance and available off-road trim, it's an excellent choice for adventure-seeking drivers. The Forester also impresses with a spacious interior and convenient cargo space. Key features include 11.6-inch touchscreen, Subaru Starlink multimedia, panoramic power moonroof, high-strength crash protection, and 182-horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Leasing the Forester is a budget-friendly choice thanks to Subaru's flexible lease offers. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $375 per month, with $2,000 down based on 12,000 miles annually. For 2 years, it averages $639 monthly, while a 4-year lease runs about $485 per month. Number 16. 2026 Mazda CX-50. The CX-50 is one of the most stylish and refined compact SUVs in its class, offering a fun driving experience without compromising on comfort. It's packed with standout features like a 10.3-inch touchscreen, standard i-Active all-wheel drive, 19-inch alloy wheels, and a 187-horsepower engine. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $402 per month, with $2,000 down based on 12,000 miles yearly. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $483 monthly, or $456 monthly for a 4-year lease. Number 17. 2026 Hyundai Tucson. With its roomy upscale cabin, range of powertrain choices, and competitive pricing, the Tucson is one of the best compact SUVs around. Standout features include 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, smart cruise control with stop and go, hands-free smart liftgate, 17-inch alloy wheels, and 187-horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Leasing the Tucson is an affordable option thanks to Hyundai's flexible lease deals. The typical 3-year lease averages just $381 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, it's $509 monthly, and a 4-year term runs $400 on average.